Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the food processor versus blender. Please watch until the end of the video to find out which one that you should buy. So the main difference between the food processor and the blender is the blades. The blender has one central blender, which cannot be removed or changed, and instead all the products are blended from a central place. The blades are designed to spin quite fast, grinding all the particles to achieve a smooth end product. On the other hand, food processors have different types of blades depending on their use. For instance, the blades can be used to slice, chop, puree, and mix depending on the food product. Therefore, the food processor has different blades, making it the best for chopping food products. Capacity. The blender pitcher is narrower and can be measured in liters, thus designed to hold smaller liquid quantities. On the other hand, the food processor has a short and larger bowl with a high holding capacity for the products. On this feature, the food processor is superior because it has a larger holding capacity and thus can hold a lot of food processed at the same time. Liquid handling. The food processor excels in chopping and slicing food products, but does not actively function in handling liquid. Food processor does not achieve a fine texture when handling a blending task, and the liquid will have a lot of food chunks. Blenders excel at liquid handling since they are designed to achieve a smooth consistency after blending products like smoothies and fruits. On this feature, the blender is superior because it's designed to handle a liquid, making it the best for achieving a desired smooth texture. Comparison table. From the table, you can tell that a food processor has better features as compared to the blender, which is quite limited. However, the food processor also has some limitations like the low ability to handle liquid products. Similarity. Both the blender and food processor have a motor house base where the pitcher and bowl are connected to grind the food product. The motor house base is connected to a socket where it transmits electricity to power the blender and the food processor. Verdict. So which is better? The blender is cheaper and thus is affordable for people purchasing the equipment on a budget. However, the food processor performs over 3 tasks and comes with assorted blades, making it far better than the blender. So in this case, I choose a food processor as better than a blender. Hey, if you like this video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hey, so do you agree with our choice? Please let us know in the comment section below.